Well, greetings, friends, and welcome back to another episode of Lifescape Bites. This week, I had a phone call from a young lady who wanted to have some emergency protective actions taken for her parents, and that included the signing of a durable power of attorney for financial matters, a healthcare power of attorney, and some contracts. And the entire discussion centered around the fact that her mother was in isolation, and it had to do with how can we get these documents executed in a way that would be enforceable and in accordance with the law. Well, today I want to discuss 4 ways that we can get that done. Well, number one, on April 6th of this month, Missouri Governor Parson signed an executive order 20-08, and you can look it up by Googling it, under his emergency powers. And I want to read just a portion of that. And it says, the requirement of personal appearance before a notary public under the laws of the state is suspended to the extent that any notarial act is authorized to be performed utilizing audio-video technology, provided you meet the following criteria. In addition, to the extent that any Missouri law requires the physical presence of any testator, settlor, principal, witness, notary, or other person for effective execution of any estate planning document, such as a will, trust, or power of attorney, or a self-proving affidavit of the execution of such document, such provisions are temporarily suspended or waived and satisfied if the necessary parties are present through a video conference as set forth in the provisions hereof. Now that is an incredible tool that we have that's currently available. Now this order, although signed on April 6th, terminates on May 15th of this year unless otherwise extended. Now some of the things that it does not do is does not suspend the need for witnesses. The witnesses, the person signing, the notary public all must be in the state of Missouri. It has to be a live, interactive video conference, and it cannot be pre-recorded, in other words. Now this was passed or issued by the governor for emergency situations. And particularly, I think it's appropriate for if you're trying to get those foundational documents to protect someone that may get ill. The durable power of attorney for financial matters, healthcare power of attorney, and in dire circumstances for wills and trusts. But there are 3 other ways that we can do that as well. And that is the drive-through. You come, we meet in a parking lot, you stay in your car, and we walk up to the car with gloves and mask on, and we hand you the documents through your window, and we literally see you execute the documents, and you remain in your car the entire time. Third way is we do a visitation, and we view you sign the documents through a window. And that's pretty common currently in assisted living and skilled nursing facilities. But we also do it through sliding doors in the back of a person's house. And then the 4th option is in person. And once again, everyone is practicing safe procedures with masks and hands. Well, the point is that there is a way to get it done. And so the call to action is, if you have those documents that need to be signed and need to be notarized, you can get it done. Call us today, email us, attend one of our webinars, but make sure you take actions to protect yourself. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you again.